The views and opinions expressed do not necessarily reflect those of Access Fort Wayne, the Allen County Public Library, or any other supporting groups. If you'd like to produce a show, call us at 260-421-1250.
Good.
Okay, we are back out here at Tuscaloosa, and I am in a small school bus here, which is a small one. You got your steering wheel. Got a door handle. Oh, that's an old-fashioned door handle there. You got your buttons. You got your radio. It looks nice. Stay tuned for more.
Pretty in. Oh, stay right there.
You got it?
Check this out.
Oh! Rabbit! We are wrapping up here at Tuscaloosa. Out here at Ivy Tech. We cut out different buses. We cut out different rides. All kinds of neat little stuff going on today.
So we're going this way.
They wave at us.
The more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are mine.